The Smoky Mountain Humane Society will stop serving as Scott County's animal shelter today. The shelter decided to end its contract with the county and will now have to rely solely on public donations. 10 News reporter Fernando Garcia Franceschini explains why staff at the shelter say it's crucial for the community to step up.
And we went through a huge parking lot, and there she was tucked behind some cardboard, and she was in terrible condition. But we have been nursing her back to health every day.
Little Miracle is just one example of the work that people at the Smoky Mountain Humane Society do.
Our mission is essentially to rescue, to help, and to rehome.
Smoky Mountain served for a couple of years as Scott County's animal shelter. The county would pay them in exchange for the shelter taking care of the animals the county animal control officers would bring in.
Many of those animals needed a lot of attention, medical care, etc.
Kenny says over the past 2 years, they received around 800 animals a year in addition to the ones the county would bring in. She says they got overwhelmed and had to start turning animals away, and that's why they decided to end their contract with the county. Now they must raise around $175,000 a year themselves to stay open. Kenny says they'll need people to step up and donate.
We have a job to do, and we know how to do it and want to continue doing it.
Kenny says if their doors were to close, Scott County could see a public health crisis.
If we were to be gone, the community would be left with animals on the streets and loose who are not spayed or neutered, have not been vaccinated, and are just running loose. That's really a health and safety crisis for the community.
In Scott County, I'm Fernando Garcia Franceschini.
Kenny says people can become members of the Smoky Mountain Humane Society by donating $9 a month. You can find more information on how to help on their website, smhumane.org.